Hi. So we're back, all tensed. I know that. You should be tensed. But there's something we say we have a solution for everything. I understand you have spent 11 months playing the fool. And now what are you going to do? That's the question. And we've got just 1 month. And that 1 month is a crucial month for you. Make it or break it. So, boys and girls, students, all of you, you're wondering, what can we do in this 1 month? Yes, you can do a lot if you believe in yourself. So now forget about every distraction. Focus your mind on one thing, and that is my exam. My boards is coming. It's not coming, it's come. It's knocking. So, what do? Prepare yourself. Avoid all distractions. First and foremost, make a slot. Divide 30 days, just 30 days. Divide 30 days into 3 phases. 3 phases. Alright? The first 20 days, next 5 days, and the last 5 days. So 20, 5, and 5. The first 20 days cover the entire syllabus. Everything, whatever subjects you have, especially the first main subject, English. For the ICSE students, 1 plus 4, you have to focus on it. And for the ISC students, 1 plus 3. So, 20 days, entire syllabus to be completed. How? I'll tell you. Relax. Just follow my instructions. Alright? The next 5 days, revise. Revise the weak topics. The topics in which you are weak, just revise it. And solve a variety of mock papers. You come across so many mock papers, school examination, ask your friends, so many mock papers, just solve it. And the last 5 days, just relax, focus on quick revisions. Relax your mind, be positive, and go ahead. Okay, that's the first and foremost thing to be done. Now the second tip, set daily goals. Now you've got those 20 days and 5 days and 5 days. Set daily goals. You have to, because now is the time. So break down each day. Alright, each day. Break down each day into subject specific slots. Like for example, 2 hours you give early in the morning. If you want to do, you can do maths. 2 hours for science. 2 hours for social studies, history, geography. For the ISC students, according to your subjects. So this, you will maintain yourself. And while you maintain, you are moving towards your target. Alright? The next, third step, prioritize. You should prioritize revision of key topics. Okay? So like all the topics, whichever topics you find there is like a lot of heavy weightage, those topics, this comes, or the teacher keeps on talking about that particular topic, prioritize it. Those are the heavy weightage topics. At that time, use mind maps. Make a flow line chart so that you can recall. Remember, while you're drawing it, you're using visual motor coordination. And that will help you to learn faster. Okay? The next step, that's the fourth step, practice. Practice, you get past papers. Either you can buy those 10 years model past papers or test papers, practice them. So when you practice, you are acquainted with the topics as well as the subject. You should solve at least one past paper. One past paper. One mock test should be done. So one daily. So you do 3 subjects in a day. So you are covering them again and again. In the meantime, you are completing your goal. That's your target. So this is like a sort of a mock. The next, the 5th point, follow the Pomodoro technique. Now what's the Pomodoro technique? It is like when you study continuously, it becomes monotonous. So you need a break. So study in focused intervals. Have a break, a short break. It can be 20, 25 minutes, half an hour break. That will give you a break in that monotonous routine. Okay? So that's because if you take a longer break, then it'll be not good. So make your breaks short, crisp, and faster so that you can keep on. Because remember, time is tricking. All right? The next point. What to do? Minimize distractions. Especially this. Mobile. This. Keep it by. Keep it by. Minimize your distractions. Don't use sort of social medias. No phones, because you are focused on your studies. Stay on track, and your track is books, exam. You have to be exam oriented. The next point, the 7th point, review all the class notes. All those notes which you have got gathered, either from the teachers or from friends, highlight them, make short, very important keywords. Find out, make them, underline. You can do it, you can use different color pencils or pens. The next point, focus on time management. Because see, for everything, time management is very important. If you don't manage time, then you will say, no, like sometimes you all have that excuse. So the paper was too lengthy and we couldn't complete it. I understand. Everyone understands it. Then why do we use the word time management? So time management is very important. So manage your time. You develop a strategy. Like for example, you know very well, and if you don't, for an essay, you shouldn't spend more than 30 to 35 minutes. 30 minutes, that's all. For a letter, those who are writing, or those who are doing article writing, report writing, not more than 20 minutes, because you're not writing much. Within that 20 minutes, you're going to write 300 words that you know. So that's how you calculate your time. You make a strategy for a 5-mark answer, for a 3-mark answer, 3 points necessary. This is my time. I should do it within that span. So within that span of time, you should complete it. The next point, see, you should remain fit. Because if you get sick at this precarious moment, it's going to be really cumbersome to everyone. So be fit. Not only physically, but mentally. So to be physically and mentally fit, you need rest. We say no, sleep is the second nourishment after food. So you need sleep. So you need at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep. And I think that would suffice. 6 to 7 hours of sleep will do quite a lot. And in between, drink plenty of liquids. Keep yourself stay away. Listen to music sometimes. This is all relaxation. Okay? Take a break. Eat some, you can have nuts or something like raisins or some dried fruits to keep yourself going. Last but not the least, relax and stay positive. Because if you're positive, everything will be positive. So take a short break, listen to music, avoid something. Don't compare yourself with others. No. See, you are yourself. You are unique. You are different. So don't compare yourself with others. You just see your progress. Okay? If you do this, I'm sure you have to discipline yourself. That is more important. Stay disciplined and automatically you'll be able to maximize your productivity. You will do excellent. Okay? Wish you all the best for your exams 2025. It's going to be a fruitful year. Definitely. All the best.